Hello everyone, welcome to the Geoecologist. I am Dr. Krishnanand, and like every year after preliminary examination for UPSC, we conduct the mains mock test series. So this year also we are going to conduct mock test series for those aspirants who have qualified prelims this year and are going to write the mains with geography optional. So let me tell you the details about this course, and also the Google registration form you can find out in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So let's understand how do we conduct this course and what are the details here. So first of all, if you see here, the course highlights are given here, and only 21 students. This is our upper limit. We don't take any students above 21. So that is our upper limit on first come first serve basis. And the classes or discussions are going to be happening on Zoom meeting app. Right? Then what you have is it's a comprehensive test series of paper 1 and paper 2 for geography optional as it is written, approach, strategy for answer writing, and how to build up your answer, how to enrich your answer. We are going to discuss everything in this particular course, and the discussions are going to be happening online Zoom based. So that's important. So suppose if we have a test today and you gave the test, you wrote it, you converted it into PDF and you sent in the WhatsApp group that we create for all the students, then I will be evaluating it. And after evaluation, we'll fix up a day where this discussion will happen. So this is how we operate in our course. And this is a personal mentoring, evaluation, and guidance till your examination that we say. So we'll have sectional tests as well and complete tests as well. And the registrations are open now, and registration form is given in the video's description and also in the pinned comment. You can check and you can fill the Google form with all the details you can see here. And last date of registration for this particular course is 19th June 2023 midnight. So on 20th, we have our orientation program, and there we discuss the exact schedule of the test, that when which section of the test will be done, how it will be done, and all the details about answer writing. So if you want a personal guidance on your answers, comments on your answers, discussions after your tests, definitely join us and we'll help you overcome all those obstacles. And I'm sure that you'll be scoring great marks and great rank in the upcoming examination. So all the best wishes, and don't forget that registration deadline is 19th of June. So before that, if you have any more query, the number for the query is also given. You can WhatsApp on that particular number with your name and every detail, and then we'll respond to you if you have any further more query about the test series. So all the best wishes. Take care.